Right now at 11, a massive industrial fire is still sending smoke and flames high into the North Texas sky. Good morning. This is CBS and DFW News at 11. I'm Karen Borda. We want to get right over to Nicole Jacobs. She is in Grand Prairie, about 1.5 miles from the flames. And Nicole, this fire is expected to burn for quite a while longer, isn't it?
It is, Karen. It's already been burning for nearly 12 hours, and while a good amount of them seem to be under control, Assistant Fire Chief Bill Murphy says the fire will continue well until tomorrow. But even with the flames and the thick black smoke, Poly America is still operating. Evidence of the fierce flames shooting from the Poly America manufacturing plant could be seen for miles.
This is a lot of plastic. It burns very hot.
And across multiple cities.
You got to have a lot of foam to put on it.
It was midnight. Assistant Fire Chief Bill Murphy says a high-tension power line collapsed, igniting rolls of plastic stored beneath it. And storms may ultimately be the blame.
We're 99% sure that's where it started, and it could have been damaged from the storms we had just the other evening.
Crews continue the firefight in defense mode. Murphy says it is now somewhat contained, and the employees working inside are not in danger.
It's kind of an illusion. There's probably several hundred feet between the building and the fire.
Some of the company's rail cars have burned. State and local environmental services are on the way, as more than 300 yards are expected to burn for days more.
Once it burns down to where it's manageable, we have to get in there with front end loaders, and once we break up the debris, all that plastic underneath is burning. We're going to have to clean out the entire section and wet it down with foam.
All right, and you're taking a live look now at the smoke that has turned from thick black to now a white gray. So some progress is definitely being made here. There is some good news as well. Despite the massive flames and the smoke from earlier, not a single injury to report. Murphy encourages anyone with respiratory issues to stay inside and away from this area.